Hey, Jasper. Hi, baby. Hey, everybody. So it's that time of year when Jasper and I start training for his Christmas photo that we try and do every year. So this year, I want him to hold this little present and wear his Santa hat, of course. So he already knows what pick it up with your foot means. So I'm gonna try and see what happens. First try. Jasper, can you pick it up with your foot? Jasper, can you pick it up with your foot? Oh my goodness, yes! So good, Jasper. Wow! That's amazing. First try. Good job. I'm doing this freehand because I wasn't planning on recording this session. So, pardon the bad lighting and the shaky camera. We're gonna work on Jasper's Santa hat. I just did one and he, as you can see, he's lifting his foot, meaning I'm ready. And he remembers his hat because we've done it so many years in a row now. So here we go. You ready, sweetheart? You're gonna sit very, very still. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good boy, Jasper. Good boy. Good boy. All right, so now all I have to do is figure out what scene I want, and we're gonna shoot his picture. It's that time of the year where Jasper does his yearly Christmas photo shoot. You can hear he's very excited. It's quite the big production, isn't it, Jasper? Are you all ready? Let's do your picture. Okay, with your foot. With your foot. Yeah! Okay, good. All right.